so today we're going to hit the chest, every guy's favorite. We want to develop a nice full chest, and the cable cross is a really good way to do it. But we're going to do it a little different today. We're going to get all from the bottom to the top. And we'll use Justin here as a good example of how to do it. Up a little bit at a time, we're raising it. Now I want Justin to open his palms. He can bring them closer to my hand and puts a little bit more stress on the middle of the chest. There you go. Now we're getting to the upper chest right here. And that's one of the areas a lot of guys are lacking. Let's get it. One more. Now we're going to go back down the ladder. That's it. Now give me some good squeezes. A little tension there. Good. Good. One more. You're done. Again, another good way to get full chest tension, make a big, strong chest. Another tip for you.